Hello everyone, I am Assistant Professor Vishal Mane. We will discuss on the topic crown ethers. We first of all see what is meant by crown ethers. Crown ethers are cyclic organic compounds contain several polyether units, that is CH2CH2ON. This is the unit present in the crown ethers. After the definition of crown ethers, we will see naming of crown ethers. The first prefix is the total number of atoms present in the ring, and second suffix number of oxygen atom present in the ring. Next we will see the crown ethers, that is 12 crown ether, 15 crown 5, then 18 crown 6. So first number indicates that is this one. First number indicates that it is a total number of atoms present in the ring. That is when we start from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and this one is a 12. Therefore first prefix shows that it is a total number of atoms present in the ring. That is the pure oxygen and these are the carbon, that is CH2 unit is there. Therefore first prefix shows or tells us total number of atoms present in the ring. And next that is crown, means it is a ring like structure, crown like structure, and 4 indicates or suffix indicates that the total number of oxygen atom present in the ring. Now there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 oxygen atoms present in the ring or in a crown ether. Therefore it is a 12 crown 4. Similarly we will see 15 crown 4. 15 crown 4 means there are total number of atoms present in this ring 15, and 5 means there are 5 oxygen atoms, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is a 5. Now in the 18 crown 6 there are 12 total number of atoms present in this ring, that is then crown should be there. Then next is a 6. 6 is what? There are 6 oxygen atom present in this ring, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the naming for the naming purpose. When we draw, or suppose draw the structure of 12 crown 4, 15 crown 5 and 18 crown 6, such type of questions are there. Then we should have to simple draw the 4 dots, that is oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4 and just simple join it to CH2, then it is CH2 and CH2. Therefore any structure we can write easily. Then some description we will see here. Oxygen atom donated to M plus ion to form complex. Always the lone pair of oxygen atom. Here the lone pair of atoms present in the ring which donates to the M plus ion or cation, or it is a potassium which the lone pairs of ion donated to the M plus ion or cations. Here these lone pairs can donate to this, here this lone pair donate to this and forms a complex. Now oxygen atom point inwards towards the metal. यहाँ पे जो भी ये जो पॉइंट होगा उसका लोन पेयर के पॉइंट होंगे तो ये इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में होगा, ऐसे इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, ये भी इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में, ये सब इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स द metal ion or metal cation. Now the bonding in the metal ion is electrostatic or ionic. So the bonding is totally ionic bonding, that is it has a K plus and it has a minus charge. Therefore the plus and minus will form a electrostatic bond or ionic bond will be there. The stability of complex arises due to close fitting of metal ion in the ring. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स जो होता है ये स्टेबल होता है. Why it is stable? Because of the close fitting of the metal. जो भी यहाँ पे मेटल हम लेने वाले हैं वो डिपेंड करेगा कि क्या साइज है और यहाँ पे जो ये जो 12 crown 4 है, when we take it is a small ring, therefore lithium is also a smaller molecule or smaller cation, therefore it can be easily fitted in this cavity. Therefore, due to the close fitting, the complex is stable. Now here in this ring, it is a 12 crown, that is 15 crown 5. Therefore lithium is a small and it is a sodium is a that is larger size. Lithium have a small size, sodium has a larger size. Therefore that we have taken 15 crown 5. Due to that, what happens, because of the size, sodium metal have a larger size and this ring also have a larger size. Therefore due to that, the metal will closely fit in the cavity. Therefore due to that, the complex becomes a stable one. If we take lithium in this instead of sodium, when we take a lithium here, therefore this complex is not a stable one, because this is the crown is a larger size and it has a smaller size. Therefore the molecule will flexible here and there. Therefore it does not fit in this cavity. Also when we take here instead of potassium, when we take lithium, the complex will become a uh, even unstable than this complex because of the here smaller size of the lithium. Therefore potassium have a greater size and it will fit in this cavity. Therefore it is a stable complex. So now, by using proper crown ether, only one alkali metal can be separated in organic solvent, keeping the other alkali metals ion behind in the aqueous solution. यहाँ पे जब भी हमें सेपरेशन करना होता है आयंस का सॉल्यूशंस में से, कोई बीकर में कुछ आयंस है, वहाँ पे लिथियम भी है, सोडियम भी है और पोटेशियम भी है. So by choosing proper crown ether, we can separate only one among these three cations. How it is possible? Because already we know that it is a it depends upon close fitting of the complex. When we taken a 12 crown 4, therefore only lithium cations can be separated, leaving sodium Na plus and K plus ion behind the solution. When we take 18 crown 6, then it will separate only potassium cations. Because of the close fitting of that complex, it can easily separate, leaving Na plus and Li plus behind in the solution. Now crown 4 is used to separate lithium plus, that is this is the crown 4, 1 2 3 4. Crown 4 is used to separate lithium ion. Now it is a crown 5 is used to separate Na plus. Crown 6 is used to separate K plus. Crown 6 is used to separate that is potassium K plus. Now the organic layer is separated. The organic layer is separated and complex is decomposed by adding aqueous acid solution to recover the metal ion. Whenever there is a solution of a crown ether, then now there are two types of layer are there, in aqueous solution layer and it is the organic layer. In the organic layer we can use different solvents, that is hexane, benzene or toluene. These are the solvents we can use to for the separation purpose. Whenever there is a mixture of cations present in the solution or in a beaker, now in that solution there are sodium metal, lithium plus and a K plus ion. If we use here a 18 crown, therefore it will separate only K plus ion. That is organic का जो ऑर्गेनिक जो कंपाउंड होता है, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड दैट इज लाइक डिजोन लाइक की तरह ये वर्क करेगा. दैट इज अगर हमने यहाँ पे बेंजीन अगर लिया है, सो ये जो पार्ट रहेगा ये बेंजीन के साथ रिएक्ट होके बेंजीन में ये डिजोल्व होगा. पूरा का पूरा ये जो पार्ट है ये बेंजीन में डिजोल्व होके ऊपर की तरफ आएगा एंड लिविंग बिहाइंड Na+ and Li+ ions remains in the aqueous solution. Therefore we will see here now here 18 crown C 18 crown 6 plus KMnO4 solution in a beaker plus benzene we have added. This is the mixture. When we shake and pour it in a separating funnel, now we will take here is a potassium KMnO4 K plus ion. K plus ion will close fit into the in this cavity in the crown ether of the 18 crown ether K plus. Now K plus is separated and in aqueous phase MnO4 minus ion is here. MnO4 minus ion is here. Now when we add by the now filter or separate this part, aqueous part and organic part. Now take out organic part in a beaker, organic layer in a beaker. In this organic layer, now this is a organic layer K plus and a crown ether. Now separate this in another beaker and add it to the aqueous acid. Now there is a decomposition takes place. Decomposition takes place. Now this crown ether will be separated here. 18 crown 6 plus K plus ion will be separated like this. Now in the next slide we will see structures of crown ethers. Now there are several structures of crown ether. First of all we will see here 18 crown 6. Now 18 crown 6 there are that is 18 means there are total number of atoms present in this ring is 18 and 6 is a number of oxygen present in this ring. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. These are the 6 oxygen atoms. Now in the 15 crown 5 it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This one that is 5 oxygen atom and total number of atoms in this ring or in this crown ether is 15. Now 12 crown 4. In this 12 crown 4 there are a 12 total number of atoms, carbon and oxygen atoms total, and 4 oxygen atoms are there. Now we can draw that is benzo 18 crown 6. It is a benzene ring. Just we have to add here a that is a ring here benzo. Now it is a benzo 18 crown 6. Just draw this structure first, then add here a benzene ring, or any side you can draw here. Either you can add here benzene ring or we can add here on this side. Therefore it is a benzo. Now in this 18 crown structure there are 2 benzene rings are there. Therefore it is a dibenzo 18 crown 6. Dibenzo 18 crown 6. Now also we can write it is a 15 crown 5 or benzo. यहाँ पे you can add a benzene ring. Benzo 15 crown 5 or 12 crown 4. In this way we can add a benzene ring. Now this is the way to draw, or it is a very simple to draw a structures of crown ethers. Now we will see once again we will see the definition of crown ethers are the cyclic organic compounds contain several polyether units. These are the polyether units is CH2CH2O. Now it is a N, that is CH2CH2O, CH2CH2. There are several polyether units can be there. Now first prefix is a total number of atoms. It is a total number of 18. It shows a total number of atoms present in the ring, and suffix shows that number of oxygen present in the ring. Thank you so much.